Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a pro tips and secret hacks to make your AI generated songs sound way more professional. Let's get started. First step you need to do is you need to be specific with your prompt because most people write super simple prompts like make a pop song, but if you want a pro level result, be detailed and descriptive. The more you guide the Suno, the better or the cleaner the production it generates. Then here you can drop a mention of famous artist, a vibe or an era in your prompt. The AI models often perform better when you anchor to a familiar reference style. And this helps the Suno fine-tune the mix and mode of your track. Then if the vocals feel too robotic or overpowering, you can request instrumental only version in your prompt or ask a soft, airy vocals with a nature, reverb, harmonies, and smoother blend. This is the example prompts. And then here you can post process your track. And once your AI track is generated, download the song. Open it in a free audio editors and apply the light adjustment. Then, even basic tweaks can instantly lift an AI track's quality. And if you're making multiple tracks for a video series or album, use a consistent keywords, instruments, or mood in every prompt. This creates more unified, professional sounding body of work. And there you go. Those are the secret hacks to make your Suno AI sound way more professional. If this helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI music tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.